Welcome to Chem Between Us. Between us today, let's talk about states of matter, specifically arrangement and properties of the three states. There are three states of matter. A substance can exist in three different states. These are solid, liquid, and gases.
A solid can be described to be when a substance is hard and rigid. They have a definite shape. In a solid, the particles do not move around. Instead, the particles vibrate about in a fixed position. This is what makes the solid hard and firm. Because their particles do not move around and only vibrate in a fixed spot, a solid cannot easily change shape. The particles in a solid are also arranged in a regular arrangement. This means in neat and tidy rows that look like this. In these regular arrangements, the particles in a solid are very closely packed together, touching with very little space between them.
Liquids are much less rigid than solids. In a liquid, particles have more energy to move around, which is what gives liquid the ability to change shape so easily. This means that they are able to take the shape of the container they are in. Despite not having a definite shape, liquids still have a definite volume. However, despite being slightly less packed than solids, the particles in a liquid are still closely packed and touching, meaning the particles move around by sliding across each other while still touching. Because they are able to move around, the particles in the liquid are randomly arranged, unlike solids.
Gases have no definite shape or volume. They take up the shape of the container they are in, and they can fill up any space. In gases, particles are very far apart from each other and are not touching. They move quickly in all directions because they have high energy and are very randomly arranged. And these are the differences between the properties of solids, liquids, and gases. We will also be explaining the interconversions between states in our next video.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you'd like to hear more of Chem Between Us. It's free and we would appreciate your support.